I have a GE oven here and the oven light is not working. If you look closely, there is a bolt here and a bolt here. You don't want to undo those. Those bolts are holding in the whole system. And so what we're going to end up doing is we're going to just take this, we're going to twist it. If we twist it this way, I'm going to twist it into those bolts. And I do not want to do that, so I'm going to spin it off. It should drop off. These usually get kind of tight. They're hard to get off, so be really careful. If you do break it, look on eBay or Amazon. You should be able to find one. If it's used, it doesn't matter. It's just a piece of glass. It'll work just as good as a new one. So get in there, twist. It's kind of hard, so give it your best. And next we'll replace the light bulb. Now when you purchase a light, make sure that you're getting one that says it's for the oven. This one says oven or refrigerator light. It's 40 watt. Don't get over what the glass says, because otherwise you can damage this fixture. So this says 40 watt on here as well. So spin this on. Next we're going to put this glass back on. So that's all there is to installing a GE light bulb. This one's got a semi-twist lens cover, and you're done. This light bulb's not going to turn off because the oven door is open, so you're going to have to work quickly so that it doesn't get hot, and so that you don't burn yourself while you're doing this. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.